So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to organize a long Google form into clear sections, you can split your form into multiple pages or simply group related questions together, and here's how. So firstly, open your Google form and select the question where you want the new page to begin. On the toolbar, the right, click Add Section. Enter a section title, then add the questions or content you want in that section. You can repeat this to create as many sections as you need. Now, if you don't want a new page, select the question where you want to add a heading. Click the Add Title and Description icon shown as T, then enter your title and description. This lets you organize related questions without creating another page. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.